Got my morning hair.
Jared's ready. I got a cold or allergies, something. So I sound awful, but I feel fantastic. No, I mean, I feel all right.
It's always fantastic to ride.
We haven't ridden this trail yet because it's like a 50-inch wide trail, but all the other ones we've been riding are like blown out. So we're going to do this one.
Go exploring, find a trail for kids.
Yeah, kids trail. And also there's this really romantic lookout spot up top. So we got to hit that up. Ooh, look at that.
Those are the new clears.
Fresh. Dude, how cool does Jared look?
I mean, it feel cool.
Yeah, you look cool. Yeah, you should wear those around just normal.
Pick up the kids from the bus.
Yeah. Yeah, our kids went off to the bus this morning and we were all like dressed like this.
Where are you going? And I'm like, I'm going dirt biking. That's not fair.
Yeah. Well. Yeah.
Life's not fair.
Learn it now, kids.
Life's not fair. We're gonna go have fun.
Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna ride. So, we'll catch you guys on the trail. Hopefully, we see you on the trail. That'd be neat to see somebody that
Listens.
they're like, "Hey, we know you," and they're like, "Hey,
Better Jared."
yeah, it'd be fun." All right. Anyways, all right. See ya. Bye. I think I jumped a little bit. Yeah, that's their mating area. The pterodactyls are over there. You see them. No, hey, I mean, it's pretty like chill, flowy trail, but that's, I mean, as advertised, right?
It's perfect
But look at this view.
for a fun.
See our house. Just kidding. It's blocked by a mountain. It's right over there.
It's that really big one way up in the mountain. Yeah. We just got it. It's cool.
Yeah, no big deal. Yeah. Just that mansion right there.
10 mil.
10.
20?
Dude, you got 10 million. You got to steal. Yeah.
I've been trying hard.
Dude, Ron said that he was working on a house 25 million. Can you imagine?
I don't even understand.
Crazy. That's awesome. It's awesome that somebody has that much money, you know? Anyways, yeah, just kind of a nice, easy, flowy trail. Just cruising.
Love it.
Just bebopping.
Bebopping around.
Bebop, bebop, boo. All right, well, we're going to keep going. I'll have to tell you about Cardos.
We would just be like, hey Ben.
Yeah.
So, oh, there's a rock right over this. Just keep talking.
So do you know what Cardos are? So it's like basically we can talk to each other the whole time we're riding. And I'm like, that's kind of cool, but then at the same time I'm like, sometimes it'd be annoying for how much I talk.
Or you'd be like on some technical section, you're like, I don't want to talk right now.
I'm gonna die! Dude, look at this view.
Pterodactyl poop.
Yeah, that's that. It's ancient. Look at this view though. Man, what a neat spot. Nature. A lot of nature out. So just over there is where Ray broke his hip.
On that hillside?
Yeah, the other side of that hill.
Oh, back in?
Yeah. But it's pretty though, it's a cool trail. So the truck's just down there. So we'll loop around this mountain and back over, but pretty neat. Hey, there's a lot of bees flying around me right now. I feel like that's rude. Like I don't have any food for them and I feel rude. Anyways, we got up to this spot. My hand was falling asleep, but just a gorgeous zone. And that's the hill that we normally ride over there. So that's cool. See that? But
one mountain to the next.
I've got a whole pocket full of tissues and I have not cracked into them, so I'm happy about that. And I have about enough ibuprofen in me to keep me pretty feeling good. So
for another hour.
Yeah. So we're almost done with this trail. We'll drop off this hill, come around, come up, and then we'll come down the other side. So pretty fun. Yeah, just a good time.
Love it.
We'll catch you guys in a minute. To turn the camera on coming off that. It was just some loose like shaly rock. All right, that was a good ride.
Great ride.
Cool. No, I mean nothing crazy, but just
Kidney shaker.
Kidney shaker. There's a lot of rocks on that.
Yep.
A lot of loose rocks, but
Still good.
Yeah, good to see something new, and it wasn't blown out like the other trails have been. So, yeah. Anyways, hey, thanks for being here.